This is a brand new 2014 Nissan Juke. This crossover has a continuously variable transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, a sunroof, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, a turbocharger, a limited slip differential, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, a pass-through rear seat, cruise control, rear curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, full power accessories, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS, a keyless entry system, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
Andy Mohr Avon Nissan is located at 8867 East Highway 36 in Avon. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.